Hi, hello guys, welcome back to Vaanga and Suthalam YouTube channel. I'm your senthilkumararaja and hopefully everyone's doing good and great. Thank you so much. And as I told you last time, I don't know what I'm going to prepare today, but I'm holding this egg and tandoori chicken. Marinated tandoori. Yes, but we are not going to make this one. I'm going to prepare. It's like a 4-course meal today, but I'm going to show you Hydrabadi chicken dum biryani, which is very famous and so delicious and flavorful rice, all-time favorite for everyone. So in this video you're going to watch this. And tandoori chicken, I have showed in my last video. You can check it on this upper link. And this biryani, you can prepare it for Thanksgiving, Halloween or Christmas or New Year, any occasions in your family, and everyone like it and they will enjoy it. Just as I told you, it's same exactly like restaurant and hotel preparation. So watch the video till the end. Definitely you will guys like it and I can assure that. Let's go and watch the video. Okay, what we got here, so many stuffs but we're not going to make that one part of this video. So not this one, this is the tandoori chicken. So you have, as I told you, and this is a tangadi kebab. No, not that one, exactly this one, the chicken which is specially marinated for Hyderabadi dum biryani. It's almost like 12 hours I have marinated and kept it in a fridge, like adding a ginger garlic paste and salt and lemon juice. That's all, very simple. So, and also what we got here is like a fried onion, play very important role in this one biryani and coriander, mint leaves, and as I told you, onion king and the queen, and lemon and green chilies, and we're having a saffron water, and we're having a whole garam masala like a red chili, like anise seeds, cumins, black peppers, coriander and cinnamon and cardamom and cloves. So, and also what we got here is like a lemon juice and kebra water or rose water. I have the kebra water there, and we're having a ginger garlic paste and salt and oil, and the rice is soaked for almost 12 hours. So if you how long you soak it, you get like rice or like a very soft flour, it's separated each part, you like it. So, and also we need a water. That's all guys, let's go and prepare the Hyderabadi flavorful chicken dum biryani.
So first friends, I will show you the step-by-step process. First you need to wash all the vegetables before you start the preparation. Always wash the vegetable. That's most important thing. Why? It has the salmonella bacteria. It causes serious health issue. That's why. So I'm going to cut one by one, like coriander and mint leaves, tomato, onion, lemon wedges. You just cut 1 by 2 lemon. That's more than enough. And onion slices. So onion slices. Then I'm going to grind ground masala, garam masala. Then I'm going to start cooking in the vessel. First I added the oil, cumin seeds, then bay leaf. First we need to make it golden brown color. We no need a whole garam masala, because the main reason that I have already grounded the garam masala, so we no need that this is more than enough. So we need to wait for some time. So once the process it's get a golden brown color, then I'm going to add onion, tomato and ginger garlic paste. Then the garam masala, then turmeric and red chili powder, which I have not showed you in my the mise en place video. So that's all the things I'm going to add. Now I'm first wait for the oil need to get hot and get golden brown color. Okay, got a pretty good golden brown color. You can see even raw flavor is gone, and I'm adding a tomato. Now it's pretty coming really good and amazing smell. Raw flavor is completely gone out, and so now I'm waiting a little bit more. Then I'm going to add the garam masala, adding a little bit of water. You can add very little bit, not required more, because we have already curd in the chicken. So now I'm adding the chicken. So masala is cooked well, friends, and now I'm adding the chicken. So I'm not going to cook completely. I'm going to cook just for 75%, because the rest of the thing it will be cooked in the dum, so we don't want to cook more. So cover it for some time. It takes some time, so you should not cover it for long hours, then it will be cooked completely. And also when you see this, it's done. So you can see that here. So 75% done, and chunk pieces looks amazing and pretty good. And for biryani, always you have to pick like this kind of big pieces. Even in a shop, the butcher, just tell them, I'm going to make a biryani, so I need a big pieces like this. So why? Now I'm going to transfer this half done chicken in the pan. In the other pan I'm going to cook the rice. So I just adding bay leaf and cloves and cinnamon and cardamom and cumin seeds. Now I am waiting for the water to be boiled, and this rice is already soaked for long hours, and it's really soft, really soft. I'm going to drain the water completely from the rice. That's the most important thing before you're putting in the the boiling water, piping boiling water. Then the other end I'm making the final preparation of the biryani. So what I'm going to do, just before that I'm going to just filtering the water from the rice. It's almost the biryani rice 50% is done. You should not cook more. Now I'm adding the chicken in this vessel. Just 2 pieces on the down. You can add a little butter, that I will tell you later what is the reason. So this rice is completely done, so I'm adding the half the rice, not all the way. So in this I'm adding coriander leaves, mint leaves and split green chilies, that and then I add that chicken which we have prepared already. That's 75%, so that I'm going to add. So I'm adding only 2-3 pieces of chicken. Then I'm putting the gravy in all the sides of the rice. That's most important thing. And why I'm doing this, gradually it will absorb inside, and this chicken pieces you can see, you get exactly as it is, and it's completely soft. When you see it, the lost. So I'm adding the rest of the rice. So like this, I'm making 3 layers. So one is over. So you can make many layers as you want if you have a big vessel. So I have only like this vessel, so I am adding only 3 layers. And finally I am adding this fried onion. This is the most important secret for the Hyderabadi biryani. And the final touch, I'm going to add the rest of the coriander chopped and mint and everything I'm adding in this. Then finally I'm going to sprinkle some water. That's the most important thing before you putting in dum. So I'm sprinkling all the sides. That's the most important thing. Then I'm adding a rest of the the coriander plate also. I'm doing that. So now I'm covering. So I covered with silver foil and keep it down for like 15 minutes. That's more than enough. Should not keep it more, and otherwise it it get burned at the lower level. Now we are opening. The biryani is done. You can see that wow, exactly. Yes, it is came very nice. It looks so delicious. Let's and see how it's look. It's pretty good, amazing. Everything amazing. Okay, we are transferring.
Hello friends, I hope you liked today Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. You can try in your home. Definitely it will come nice. If it comes nice, please give your valuable feedbacks and comments on the below the video link. And thank you so much for Vijay sir. He given us such a wonderful feedback. And thank you Chef Bala and Vasant. I'm really sorry that because of this cold weather, I'm trying, but I could not able to make the vegetarian dish. But I will try. And thank you Venkat sir, Ramana and Prasad and Prakash and so many of you, and giving us such a wonderful comments, and this is motivating me to make new things, explore everything. So I will try. And also I want to show you the Christmas market, which is very famous in Sweden. During the November and December they're conducting in Sigtuna. I never been there, so we will go and explore the place. What are things new things over there. So come with me guys, if you're ready, come and join with me. We will go and rock. Okay, all right. So stay tuned. Vaanga Neenga, Ulagam Suthalam YouTube channel. I am your senthilkumararaja. Love you all guys. Bye.